Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into something truly enchanting and perfect for this spooky season. Introducing the best Big Cauldron Halloween Decor available, the 6-piece large witch's cauldron set from Miss Fantasy. This isn't just any cauldron. It's a complete outdoor Halloween decoration package that's bound to mesmerize your guests. Let's break down what you get with this set. First up, you have a 44.5-inch high bracket that adds an imposing presence. Paired with the 11.8-inch wide plastic cauldron, it creates a focal point that screams Halloween. What makes this set stand out is the attention to detail. You get a fake flame lamp for that eerie glow, a lifelike fake Halloween hand to add to the spookiness, and a string of green lights, batteries not included, that completes the mystical ambiance. Setting up is a breeze with the adjustable bracket and anti-slip pad, ensuring stability whether you place it indoors or outdoors. It's designed to withstand the elements, so you can enjoy it year after year. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party, creating a haunted yard display, or simply adding to your seasonal decor, this cauldron fits right in. It's versatile enough to be the centerpiece of any Halloween setup. If you're ready to elevate your Halloween decor game, click the link in the description to get your own Miss Fantasy Witch's Cauldron set. Don't miss out on making this Halloween unforgettable. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay spooky and happy decorating.